Do you want to add custom fonts to your video intros using IntroMate? Let's do it. Open your selected template, tap on the text icon, and select Text 1. To change the font, tap Font in the bottom left-hand corner. Here you can select a font or add one of your own. Tap Import Font. You'll be taken to your iCloud Drive through the Files app. Select the font you want to install and tap on it. Mine's called Bubblegum, and it's the font that I use in my YouTube thumbnails. You'll get a message that says Font successfully installed. Now, you can change it. Tap Font in the lower left-hand corner and select Bubblegum from the list. Tap anywhere on the screen to dismiss the font selection dialog. Then select Text 3 and repeat the process. The templates allow you to have multiple lines of text. The font used in this tutorial is available on dafont.com. There's a link in the video description. In this template, Text 1 and Text 3 are blue, so the subtitle is contained within Text 3. Select Text 3 and then tap Font in the lower left-hand corner and select the Bubblegum font to change the subtitle. Notice that the title and subtitle for this intro are a little bit easier to read. To export the intro, tap the share icon in the upper right-hand corner. Choose the resolution. I like to choose the highest possible. 30 frames per second is fine. Tap Export. When the yellow line reaches the end, the intro will be exported to your camera roll. You can edit it by dropping it into a video editor. Here is the modified intro.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below so I can help you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.